love using automation. I love it for many, many different reasons. And some of those are the reasons that Nate is going to be talking about in his day when he talks about automation. This class on Thursday morning is going to be a little bit different from some of my other automation classes because it's open to anybody that has Quiltimagine already and just getting started, and they need to know, how do I place blocks, how do I design and place and sew pantographs. So we're going to cover all of that. But it's also, I really invite people that are thinking about automation and may have gone to Nate's class a couple of days earlier and are thinking more seriously about it. This would be the perfect next step, would be to come to this class and actually sit in on it and see how easy automation really is. And I'm not kidding. When I get people in my classes and I say, this is not hard, I get some rolling of the eyes. And by the end of the day, they're going like, okay, yeah, I can do this. It's not that bad. Okay. So that's what I want people to walk away from this class. So if you already have Quiltimagine and you're getting started, we will be covering how to do blocks, how to do pantographs. So bring your tablet. It will be hands-on using your tablet, but we're also going to be using the frame. So there's going to be a long arm frame in there. Actually, not a long arm frame, but a shorter length frame, but it will have machine and Quiltimagine on it. And we'll be demonstrating how easy it is to place blocks and sew them, how easy it is to design a pantograph and get it on your quilt and actually stitch it. All of these things, I think, will help you. If you haven't made that decision for automation, you'll be able to see that, yes, this is something that you can do. It's not a tedious task. It is actually a lot of fun. And once you see how much fun it is and how easy it can be accomplished, you're going to go like, okay, this is great. So that's the one in the morning, mastering automation.